start of the financial year. Let's go across to Srita Nagpal to find out how the other IT bellwether is expected to perform. I'm talking about TCS. The TCS numbers are expected post market hours. Hi, Sunita. There are always, sky high expectations from TCS.
Well, expectations are always high, but you also have to remember that Q4 is traditionally a weak quarter. So we are expecting a 1.2% growth in constant currency. There will be a cross-currency tailwind of roughly about 160 basis points. So your dollar revenue growth will be nearly 3% in this quarter. Margins are expected to improve by 50 basis points because of operational efficiencies, and also the currency has moved in their favor. So that will help giving a bump up in a dollar revenue growth of 2.75. As far as what we have to watch in the numbers is basically their outlook for the banking sector. Remember, in the last quarter commentary, they had said that all the verticals except US BFS space is growing at double digits. So we have to watch for whether the demand is picking up on that front, whether they are expecting FY19 to be better than FY18. Another factor you have to watch out is the margin guidance. They don't give a guidance per se, but they have been maintaining that the margins will move in 26 to 28% range in the medium term. And with them bagging large deals in last couple of quarters, there is expectation there could be a margin pressure coming, because as they ramp up these deals, initial years it might be margin dilutive. So there is expectation they might cut the margin guidance. So that we have to watch out. And as you saw in case of Infosys, there was a cut in margin guidance. So there is expectation there will be pressures on the margin going ahead. How's the digital space doing? That is something that we need to watch out for. Remember, it has been growing substantially well sequentially. We have seen double-digit growths, and now it is at $4 billion annual rate that their digital business is. How they expect that to grow, and FY19, whether they can expect further bump up or the growth coming on the digital front. Another factor that you have to watch out is because of the US tax code, there is expectation that the effective tax rate for TCS could go up because they operate through a US subsidiary. There are expectations that they will be impacted on the tax front. So that could affect the EPS expectations for TCS. So that is something that we need to watch out for. Other than that, you also have to remember that TCS is celebrating its 50th anniversary in April 2018. There are hopes that the company might reward shareholders and employees. If you remember, in 2014, they had rewarded their shareholders as well as employees on completing the 10 years of the listing. So there is expectation that there might be some special dividend announcement today, but we'll have to wait till the market closing when the numbers are announced.